Kendall, Florida, is known for its diverse architectural styles, ranging from Mediterranean-inspired homes to sleek, modern designs. To complement the distinctive charm of these homes, custom awning windows are an excellent choice. These versatile windows are not only functional but also add a touch of style and elegance that aligns with Kendall's unique aesthetic. Here's how custom awning windows can enhance your home, making them a perfect fit for Kendall's architectural variety. What are awning windows? Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a slanted, outward-facing panel. This design allows for excellent ventilation, even during light rain, while offering an attractive aesthetic that blends seamlessly with various architectural styles. Tailored to Kendall's unique architectural style, Kendall's homes feature a mix of classic and contemporary designs, and custom awning windows can be tailored to match the unique characteristics of any property. For Mediterranean-style homes, these homes often have arched or ornate window designs. Custom awning windows can be crafted with curved frames, decorative grilles, or finishes that complement the warm, earthy tones of Mediterranean architecture. For modern homes, sleek, minimalistic awning windows with slim frames and large glass panels align perfectly with modern architecture's clean lines and open spaces. For traditional homes, custom awning windows with classic frame designs and finishes can enhance the timeless charm of traditional homes, adding both function and beauty. Superior ventilation in Kendall's climate. Kendall's warm, humid climate makes proper ventilation a must for comfortable living. Awning windows are an excellent choice for promoting airflow throughout your home. How they help. The outward opening design allows air to flow in while keeping rain and debris out. This makes them ideal for year-round ventilation, especially during light rain when you still want fresh air without the risk of water entering your home. Enhanced energy efficiency. In a hot climate like Kendall's, energy efficiency is key to keeping cooling costs down. Custom awning windows can be designed with energy-efficient features that help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Features to look for. Double or triple glazing. These options reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler. Low E coatings. Reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter, reducing the strain on your air conditioning system. Weatherproof seals. Ensure that air leaks are minimized, enhancing insulation and energy efficiency. Unique aesthetic appeal. Awning windows offer a distinctive look that can enhance your home's curb appeal. Their outward opening design creates depth and dimension, making your windows stand out as a design feature. Custom options. Choose from a variety of frame materials, colors, and finishes to match or contrast with your home's exterior. Decorative grilles, frosted glass, or even custom shapes can add a personal touch that complements your home's architecture. Space-saving design. For homes in Kendall where space is at a premium, awning windows are an ideal solution. Their outward opening mechanism requires no interior clearance, allowing you to maximize your indoor living space. Perfect for small spaces. Awning windows are ideal for areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and hallways where ventilation is needed but space is limited. Improved security. Custom awning windows can be designed with enhanced security features to keep your home safe. Security features. Multi-point locking systems for added strength. Reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass to withstand potential intrusions in Kendall's stormy weather. Smaller openings that make it harder for intruders to gain access. Durability in Kendall's weather conditions. The materials and craftsmanship of custom awning windows make them well suited for Kendall's tropical climate, which includes high humidity, intense sunlight, and occasional storms. Material options. Aluminum frames. Lightweight, durable, and resistant to corrosion, ideal for humid environments. Vinyl frames. Low maintenance and excellent for insulation. Fiberglass frames. Extremely durable and resistant to warping, cracking, and fading. Easy maintenance. Custom awning windows are designed for convenience, making them easy to clean and maintain. Tilt-in or removable sashes. Many awning windows feature sashes that tilt inward or are removable, allowing for easy cleaning of both the interior and exterior surfaces. Weather resistance. High-quality materials and finishes prevent damage from Kendall's weather, ensuring your windows stay functional and beautiful for years to come. Added property value. Investing in custom awning windows can increase the value of your Kendall property. Their energy efficiency, unique style, and functional benefits make your home more appealing to potential buyers. Why buyers love them. Energy-saving features reduce utility costs. Stylish, modern designs enhance aesthetics. Durable, low-maintenance materials promise long-term performance. Final thought. Custom awning windows are a versatile and stylish addition to any Kendall home. Whether you're looking to enhance the Mediterranean charm of a classic villa or add a sleek, modern touch to a contemporary property, awning windows can be tailored to meet your needs. With their superior ventilation, energy efficiency, and space-saving design, awning windows offer a combination of beauty and functionality that fits perfectly with Kendall's unique architectural landscape. Work with a trusted window professional to design and install awning windows that elevate your home's style, comfort, and value.